Welcome F5S students. Today we are going to discuss about some theorems, propositions. Remark 1 upon fd cos ax is equal to cos ax upon f of minus a square. Yesterday we have seen that 1 upon fd square cos ax plus b is equal to cos ax plus b upon f of minus a square. But here only cos ax. And 1 upon fd square sin ax is equal to sin ax upon f of minus a square. Since f of minus a square is not equal to 0, to evaluate 1 upon fd cos ax plus b or 1 upon fd sin ax plus b, in fd write d cube is equal to d into d square, d raised to 5 is equal to d into d square raised to 2 etc, etc, and replace d square by minus a square, f minus a square. Third, if f of minus a square is equal to 0, then we cannot replace d square by minus a square. Proposition 3.5. First, 1 upon d square plus a square raised to r cos x is equal to minus 1 raised to r x raised to r cos x plus r pi by 2. Second, 1 upon d square a square back raised to r is sin ax is equal to minus 1 raised to r x raised to r sin ax plus r pi by 2, where r belongs to set of natural. Proof. Consider 1 upon d square plus a square raised to r e raised to ix is equal to 1 upon d minus ai into d plus ai e raised to r e raised to ix is equal to 1 upon d minus I raised to r in bracket 1 upon d plus I raised to r e raised to ix is equal to 1 upon d minus I raised to r. Using first result, e raised to ix upon 2ia raised to r is equal to 1 upon 2ia 2ai raised to r in bracket 1 upon d minus I raised to r e raised to ix is equal to x raised to r. Using second proposition, x raised to r e raised to ix upon r factorial 2ia raised to r is equal to minus 1 raised to r I raised to r x raised to r e raised to ix upon r factorial 2a raised to r. Since 1 upon I raised to r is equal to minus 1 raised to r into I raised to r is equal to minus 1 raised to r x raised to r e raised to I ax plus r pi by 2. Since I is equal to e raised to I pi by 2 implies I raised to r, that is e raised to I r pi by 2. 1 upon d square plus a square cos ax plus I sin ax is equal to minus 1 raised to r x raised to r in bracket cos of in next bracket ax plus r pi by 2 bracket complete plus I sin ax plus r pi by 2 bracket complete r factorial upon twice e raised to r e raised to I theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Equating real and imaginary parts on both sides, we get 1 upon d square plus a square raised to r cos ax is equal to minus 1 raised to r x raised to r cos ax plus r pi by 2 upon r factorial twice a raised to r. Second one, 1 upon d square plus a square r e raised to r sin ax is equal to minus 1 raised to r x raised to r sin ax plus r pi by 2 upon r factorial into twice a raised to r. Putting r is equal to 1 in the above result, these two results. 1 upon d square plus a square, here r is 1 raised to 1 cos ax is equal to minus x cos ax plus pi by 2 upon twice a is equal to sin cos ax plus pi by 2, that is minus sin ax. Therefore minus minus becomes plus x sin ax upon twice a. Second, 1 upon d square plus a square sin ax is equal to minus x sin ax plus pi by 2 upon twice a is equal to x cos ax upon twice a. Example, solve d cube plus d y is equal to sin 3x. Solution, given differential equation is d cube plus d in bracket d cube plus d bracket complete y is equal to sin 3x. Therefore the auxiliary equation is d cube plus d is equal to 0. Here d is common, therefore d into d square plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore d is equal to 0 first root. The next two roots are plus or minus I are roots of auxiliary equation. Hence complementary function is equal to c1 e raised to 0x plus here alpha plus I beta, the value of alpha is 0, therefore here e raised to alpha x means e raised to 0x in bracket c2 cos x plus c2 sin x is equal to e raised to 0x is 1 c1 plus in bracket c2 cos x plus c3 sin x. Now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d into d square plus sin 3x is equal to 1 upon d square plus 1 sin 3x is equal to 1 upon d by previous proposition 1 upon fd square cos x sin x, that is 1 upon f of minus a square. Therefore 1 upon minus 3 square plus 1, the value of a is 3 here, is equal to minus 1 upon 8, minus 3 square is 9, minus 9 plus 8, 1 is 8. Therefore minus 1 upon 8, 1 upon d sin 3x is equal to minus 1 upon 8 integration sin 3x dx. Reciprocal of derivative means integration is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Integration of sin 3x is minus cos 3x upon 3. Therefore minus minus becomes plus cos 3x upon 24. Hence general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to c1 plus in bracket c2 cos x plus c3 sin x plus cos 3x upon 24. Proposition 3.6, that is type 4. If capital D is equal to d dx and fd is a polynomial in D with constant coefficients, then 1 upon fd e raised to x v is equal to e raised to x 1 upon fd plus a v, where v is a function of x. Proof, let u be a function of x, then we have d e raised to x u is equal to e raised to x du plus a e raised to x u is equal to e raised to x is common, d plus a into u. Therefore d square e raised to x u is equal to d into d in bracket d e raised to x u. D in bracket e raised to x in bracket d plus a u is equal to e raised to x d into d plus a u plus e raised to a e raised to x d plus a u. using u into v method here, derivative of e raised to ax as it is, derivative of this d into d plus au plus here derivative of e raised to x is e raised to ax and derivative of ax is a, d plus a u is as it is equal to d plus e raised to x d plus a d plus a, e raised to x is common, u is equal to e raised to x d plus a bracket square into u. Hence, in general, d raised to k e raised to x u is equal to e raised to x d plus a raised to k u, where k is a positive integer. Now, fd is a polynomial in D with constant coefficients. Therefore, fd e raised to x u is equal to e raised to x f of d plus a u. Now, let u be so determine that. Therefore, fd plus a u is equal to v. That is u is equal to 1 upon f of d plus a v. Equation 1 becomes fd e raised to x 1 upon f d plus a v is equal to e raised to x v. Operating 1 upon d from both sides, we get 1 upon fd e raised to x 1 upon fd plus a v is equal to 1 upon fd e raised to x v. Fd get cancelled, e raised to x upon f of d plus a v is equal to 1 upon fd e raised to x v. That is 1 upon fd e raised to x v is equal to e raised to x 1 upon f of d plus a into v. Example, solve d square minus 2d plus 1 y is equal to x square e raised to 3x. Solution, given differential equation is in bracket d square minus 2d plus 1 bracket complete y is equal to x square e raised to 3x. Suppose this is equation 1. An auxiliary equation of this equation is d square minus 2d plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the perfect square of d minus 1 bracket square is equal to 0. 1 is repeated roots here, therefore d is equal to 1, 1 are the repeated roots of auxiliary equation. Hence, we know that complementary function of repeated roots is equal to c1 plus c2x bracket complete e raised to x. Now, particular integral is equal to 1 upon d minus a bracket square e raised to 3x x square is equal to e raised to 3x upon 1 upon d plus 3 using previous result. 1 upon instead of here d here d plus 3 minus 1 x square. Is equal to e raised to 3x 1 upon d plus 2 bracket square x square e raised to 3x 1 upon 4 1 upon 1 plus d by 2 take outside 2 bracket it's become 2 square, therefore 1 upon 4 here 1 upon 1 plus d by 2 bracket square into x square is equal to e raised to 3x upon 4 in bracket 1 plus d by 2 bracket raised to minus 2x square is equal to e raised to 3x upon 4 in bracket 1 minus 2 d by 2 plus minus 2 minus 3 upon 2 factorial d raised to 4 d square by 4 plus dash 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 in bracket x square is equal to e raised to 3x upon 4 1 minus d plus 3d square upon 4 plus bracket complete x square is equal to e raised to 3x upon 4 x square minus 2x plus 3 into 2 upon 4 is equal to e raised to 3x upon 4 x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 and general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to c1 plus c2x in bracket c1 plus c2x bracket complete e raised to x plus e raised to 3x upon 4 in bracket x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 bracket complete. It's okay, we stop here.